Our global business editor, Udayan Mukherjee, joining us now. Udayan, yet a record high for the markets and also a great start to the week. It looks like we're in full form now as we head towards the end of the year and, of course, closer to budget.
Yeah, there's momentum in the market now, but there's no denying that. I mean, just about a week ago, it was looking like the market was dithering around 18,300, the previous peak, but it just consolidated for a few days and then has taken a shot at the old high, which is not the intermediate high of 18,600. So there is global momentum. There is money coming in from FIIs again. And, you can never say when the momentum will stop. I remain a bit guarded about the market globally and locally because I think from the October lows, this has already been a fairly powerful rally. I think the S&P 500 in the US is up about 13 to 15%. That's a very meaningful rally. The Nasdaq has rallied and the US and the Indian markets at all-time highs. So, and FIIs who were pulling out money for most part of the year, they have started bringing in quite a few $1 billion over the last few weeks. Crude has cooled down to below $80 and that's helping our cause. So there seems to be, as you said correctly, some nice cheer going into the towards the end of the year. But I would remain a little guarded because this has the classic shape of a very powerful pullback rally. And once the new year starts in 2023, it's quite conceivable that some of this halo that we're seeing around the view that the Fed will now not increase rates at the pace at which it was expected to raise earlier, that will start fading as people start focusing on the realities of a very quickly slowing economy and poor earnings quality going into next year. So I think that some of the demons of 2022 have not quite gone away. We are in the throes of powerful momentum and liquidity right now, and one should never question the power of momentum in a market. So this market can extend to 19,000 and even beyond.
Wow.
It's quite conceivable. It's very difficult to say when it will stop, but I have a feeling that it's not the time to get carried away and to believe that all the problems which surround us have vanished. And I think the start of 2023 could be difficult too. So this is not to say take your profits and run, but just to say don't get carried away because everything around us is not quite hunky-dory. This is just a very warm and cheery bit of respite going towards the end of what has been a difficult year.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.